Harvard University admission test. Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussion 3 to the power x plus x is equal to 30. So how to solve if we put x is equal to 1, 2, 3. So just putting 3 to the power x plus x is equal to 0. So just 3 to the power 1 plus 3 is equal to does not equals to 30. 3 square plus 3 does not equals to 30. And 3 cube plus 3 equals to 30. So according to the back calculation, our answer is x is equal to 3. Now we solve this problem by Lambert function. So let's start to solve. 3 to the power x is equal to 30 minus x, and 30 minus x divided by 3 to the power x equals to 3 to the power x divided by 3 to the power x. Okay, so it cut. So whatever I get, 30 minus x into 3 to the power minus x equals to 1. So 30 minus x into, now multiplying both sides, 3 to the power 30 into 3 to the power minus x equals to 3 to the power 30. Minus x and 3 to the power 30 can be written as e to the power ln 3 to the power 30 minus x. Okay, e to the power ln e to the power ln a is equal to, remarkable note, ln e to the power ln a is equal to a. Okay, so this way I can write, and it is 3 to the power 30. Okay, 3 to the power 30. Now I am multiplying both sides. I can write 30 minus x and ln 3, multiplying both sides ln 3. So whatever I get, e to the power 30 minus x ln 3 is equal to 3 to the power 30 into ln 3. 3 to the power 30 into ln 3 can be written as 3 to the power 3 into ln 3 into 3 to the power 27, and 3 to the power 30 23 means 27, and ln 3 and e to the power ln 3 to the power 27. So it can be written as 27 ln 3 into 27 e to the power ln ln 3, and in this way I can write in here 30 minus x ln 3 e to the power 30 minus x ln 3. So apply Lambert function in both sides. So I just apply Lambert function in here, just apply Lambert. So whatever I get 30 minus x ln 3 is equal to 27 ln 3. How? Because we know that w a e to the power a is equal to a. This formula we know. So ln 3 cut. So 30 minus x is equal to 27. So x is equal to 3. I hope it is clear for you, and please check my total solution.